Problem number 26. In this problem, this cut section is given and one of its edges is parallel to VP and HP. Right. This edge is parallel and you have to construct a pentagon of 30 mm side and you have to draw this pyramid. In this pyramid, this cut section is given. This part is given in the problem. Right. This complete section is given. How to construct this? From this side you have to take 30 degree till this and then you have to make dark this part. Right, this complete part is given in the problem. Only you have to number only you have to number and then develop. That is the, but sometimes this may be given, this may not be given, but this part will be given and they will be giving sentence that one of its is parallel to VP and HP. Now this is called as A dash, next E dash, B dash along with O1 dash, C dash, D dash, and this is O dash. Now this is not exactly resting on one of its corner, right? Because of that we will get true length. How to take true length I will explain here. Now take horizontal line from O1. So I am taking parallel to this. Right. I have drawn a horizontal line parallel to XY line. Parallel to this I have taken from this point. Right. Then draw an arc by taking O as center, O as center, C as radius, C as radius. Draw arc till it intersect horizontal line. Now this point I will draw vertical line parallel to this. Very small distance will get and then I will join that point to O. Right. So this is called as true length and we have to measure that true length. So we will measure this true length. It is around 57. Right. It is around 56 and 57. So we will take 56. Now we got the true length. How to get true length? If it is resting on corner, we will get directly true length as OC. O dash C dash is the true length. It is not resting on corner. Because of that, draw parallel to this or XY line from O1 and then take O as center, C as radius, draw arc till this horizontal line. From that horizontal line, draw vertical line till it intersect XY line. Then from that point, you should join to O dash where you will get true length. Now, we'll number, no need of this part, only you have to number for this line. Right, only you have to number for this line. Now we'll number, start with OA. OA is here, OA number 1, OB number 2, 1, OC, OC is here number 3. Right, next OD number 4. Right, OD, and then OE. OE is here number 5. Don't consider axis. So number of 5. Right, first is OA, then OB, OB is here, then OC, then OD, then OE. Right, all the numbering has been done. There is no cut on the base, because of that I have not taken A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E or E to A. So there is no cut on base. Because of that, I have not considered this. Procedure to consider. Now there is no cut. I am not considering. Only it is cut on OA, OB, OC, OD, and OE. So I have taken only on that. Now true length is 56. Now we will draw arc of 56 millimeter. Or you can take this distance. Right. Now I have taken this distance. By keeping at any point, draw arc with thin line. Right. Then join that point wherever you have drawn, from that point to the arc at any point. Not exactly or not any line, just join it. This point is called as O dash and this point is called as capital A. And then we'll cut it by the distance of the pentagon. One side of the pentagon is equal to 30 millimeter. I have taken 30 mm distance. Now I will cut this arc by 30. Pentagons were having 5 parts. So we'll cut 5 parts on this arc. Four. Now one more. 5 part I have cut, and then I will join each other with thin line. Right. Each point will be joined to O. And then base also will join point to point. With thin line you have to join. Right. And then B, C, D, E back to A. This is the tool length 56 I have taken, and then each part is 30. You can measure it. You will have 30 millimeter. Right. Each and every part is 30 after joining. Now we'll transfer all these points to the true length. So here we'll get third point, this point, and then we'll transfer all the points to the true length. So this is 4. This is second. 5. First. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the distance will be transferred to the true length. Always you have to take distances from true length. Please keep that in mind. Now first point I am taking. This is the first point. On true length I am taking. First point is on OA. On OA you will get first point on either side. So this is first point. Two first point because from OA I am opening. Because of that OA will be there either end. And then I will take second distance. Second distance will be on OB. second distance, then third distance on OC, directly it is on this point, and then fourth point on OD, then fifth point on OE, so fourth point, fifth point. Now all the points have been marked. Now this is your cut section, means from O to this, O to this, O to this, O to this, means O to this, O to this, O to this. This part will be made of, not bottom part. Here bottom part has been removed, retained part is O, from O it is joining, so we will dark this part. And then we'll join 1 to 2, 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and then 5 to 1. So this part is called as developed part. Each part is 30 millimeter, side is this. This is the cut section. This part is retained and this part will be removed from the development.